So, you're looking for a job. You have plenty of options, but it can be overwhelming and confusing. So I've got some tips for where you can start. Hi, I'm Ilene, and for the past 13 years, I've helped thousands of job seekers to easily land their dream jobs rapidly by sharing my insider secrets. I'm going to share with you 3 easy steps that will help get your job search started. 1. Job boards. Job boards are a great way to find job postings. There are many job boards on the internet, and they usually have a wide range of jobs. You can search by location, job type, or company. The only downside is that you might be competing with a lot of people for the job. 2. Social media. LinkedIn is the most popular site for job seekers, but there are many other social media sites that can help you find a job. Twitter, Facebook, and Google all have job search engines that you can use. You can also search job postings on Craigslist and Indeed. The great thing about social media is that you can connect with companies and people who might be able to help you find a job. 3. Job fairs. Job fairs are a great way to meet potential employers. You can meet people from different companies and learn more about their jobs. Some job fairs are even specific to certain industries. The only downside is that job fairs can be overwhelming and you might not have time to talk to everyone. These are just a few ways to find a job. The most important thing is to start somewhere. YouTube has been kind enough to suggest a video that will continue to help you in your job search. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next training video. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101. Good luck in your job search.